Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Aspiring talent in the Philippines is some of the best. When you're making independent experimental horror films, pretty much any type of film, travel to the Philippines, and as you're going to find that the aspiring talent of the Pearl of the Orient are very, very good. They're willing to work. Their facial and body movements and expressions, they have many, especially for horror as far as I'm concerned, due to what I'm starting to film. And you're going to find they're easy to work with as they're eager and ready to work. They enjoy working with foreign directors and take good direction from what you're asking for in your pictures. And you're going to find the talent is really extraordinary, as well as the locations that they can provide you with for filming are going to be completely beautiful. So, again, if you're into independent experimental horror films, pretty much any other type of film, I would definitely suggest try the Philippines, the Pearl of the Orient, and Filipino talent, aspiring talent, and they can definitely enhance the films that you're making. All right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel here on YouTube and put a like on the videos. All right? Thanks a lot. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.